83 species in genus Populus. Populus, a love letter to the quaking giants. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to trees. Their silent strength, the way they reach for the sky, the whisper of leaves in the wind. It's a language I understand. But among the many species that grace our planet, the genus Populus from the Salicaceae family holds a special place in my heart. These aren't just trees, they're living sculptures, each with a unique character and a story to tell. Perhaps you know them better as poplars, aspens, or cottonwoods. These common names hint at the diversity within this remarkable genus, a family of around 80 species scattered across the northern hemisphere. From the towering cottonwoods that line riverbanks to the shimmering aspens that blanket hillsides, Populus paints landscapes with strokes of green and gold. A symphony of leaves. One of the first things that captivated me about Populus is the way their leaves dance in the breeze. It's more than just a rustle. It's a symphony of whispers, a chorus of fluttering leaves that seem to clap and chatter with the slightest gust. This distinctive sound comes from the unique shape of their leaves, flattened petioles that act like tiny wings, catching the wind and setting the whole tree in motion. Think of the quaking aspen, Populus tremuloides, its leaves shimmering like coins in the sunlight. Or the white poplar, Populus alba, its leaves flashing silver as they turn in the wind. Even the balsam poplar, Populus balsamifera, with its fragrant resinous buds, joins the dance with its ovate leaves that sway and swirl in the air. A tapestry of bark. But the beauty of Populus goes beyond its leaves. Their bark is a tapestry of textures and colors, each species boasting its own unique pattern. The smooth, greenish-white bark of young aspens gives way to furrowed, dark gray bark as they mature. The black cottonwood, Populus trichocarpa, displays deep fissures in its bark, like ancient hieroglyphs etched into its trunk. And the Lombardy poplar, Populus nigra italica, with its distinctive columnar shape, has bark that's almost black, providing a stark contrast to its vibrant green foliage. A legacy of resilience. Populus trees are not just beautiful, they're survivors. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from the cold boreal forests of Canada to the arid regions of Central Asia. They're pioneers, often the first to colonize disturbed areas. Their fast growth rate and ability to spread through root suckers allowing them to quickly establish themselves. This resilience is reflected in their long history. Fossil evidence suggests that Populus has been around for millions of years, weathering ice ages and climate shifts. Today, they continue to play a vital role in ecosystems, providing habitat for wildlife, stabilizing soil, and even helping to clean the air. A diverse family. The genus Populus is a melting pot of species, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. See full list at monsterholic.com. A connection that endures. For me, Populus represents more than just a group of trees. It's a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the enduring power of nature. Whether I'm walking through a grove of aspens, their leaves whispering secrets in the wind, or admiring the towering presence of a cottonwood, its bark etched with the stories of time, I feel a connection to something larger than myself. The genus Populus is a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to thrive. It's a connection I cherish, a love letter to the quaking giants that grace our world.